Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is Mimi PhD, and I would quickly want to run through documentation with you. So, documentation by definition, this is just any written or electronically generated information about the patient. That's the definition for documentation. So, it's just any written or electronically generated information about the patient. So any written or electronically generated information about the patient, that's what we call documentation. Having defined documentation, we can run through the importance of documentation. So when it comes to importance of documentation, number one is it's going to stand as a legal document. For example, your client is not satisfied with the services that you gave, and this client decide to take you to court. The information that you documented will be able to stand for you. Number two, it's a professional standard. Whichever profession you are in, you're supposed to have information about clients, about everything concerning a client. And then apart from that, it makes work easy. You need to bear with me that if you've documented, you are not going to repeat the things that you've done because work is going to be easily done. And then apart from that, the other importance that we can look at is just for continuity of care or for continuity of services. So it's important that you document. Apart from that, the other importance of documentation that I can look at or that we can look at is facilitating communication. In case you are not around, but the information was documented, whichever colleague come in will be able to read through and they would know what you did and what you did not do. So that's about it. And then away from that, it's important that you understand the principles of management. Principles of management, very important. There is a man by the name of Henry Fayol who talked about 14 principles of management. Number one, he talked about unit of command. With this one, he was talking about an organization having one manager who is making decisions for the entire organization, and by doing so, the organization will achieve its desired goal. He also talked about units of direction, where he was talking about having a goal. Each organization should have a goal, and everyone working in that organization, they should work in line with the goal of the organization so that at the end of the day, you achieve a desired goal. The other one that he talked about is equity. Under equity, according to Henry Fayol, was talking about managers treating their subordinates fairly without biasness. You need to make sure that your subordinates are treated fairly without bias.